Hello investors, welcome to Altainment. Today we bring you the latest actions and updates about the Indian startup ecosystem. Paytm founder and CEO Vijay Shekhar Sharma quipped about PayPal's launch of its super app, directing Twitter users' attention towards a report about PayPal's super app launch. Paytm CEO said, "ये पहले कहीं देखा सुना सा है." Last week, PayPal officially introduced the first version of the Super App, which offers a combination of financial tools including direct deposit, bill pay, a digital wallet, peer-to-peer payments, shopping tools, crypto capabilities, and more. Swiggy is finalizing a new financial round of about $500 to $600 million that is likely to be led by US asset manager Invesco, according to three people aware of the matter. The exercise is likely to catapult the valuation of the online food delivery company to as much as $10 billion, which is double the valuation ascribed to the 7-year-old venture 5 months ago. If the deal fructifies, Swiggy will rank among India's most valued privately owned startups after edtech firm Byju's and fintech major Paytm, which is slated to go public later this year. The latest financing for Swiggy comes close on the heels of its arch-rival Zomato's bumper IPO and is being seen as a re-rating exercise for the Bengaluru firm that is presently valued at $5.5 billion. Invesco is likely to plough in about $150 to $200 million, while existing investors in Swiggy like Falcon Edge, SoftBank Vision Fund, Prosus will pump in the rest of the capital, according to the people cited above. Paytm has become the first payments platform in India to accept international remittances directly into a digital wallet in India, after it announced to tie up with Ria Money Transfer, which is a cross-border money transfer firm and a part of Euronet Worldwide. Ria's network supports 3.6 billion bank accounts and 410 million mobile and virtual accounts. How will it help customers? Paytm's 303 million customers can now get money transferred directly into their accounts from their friends and relatives abroad. Through this tie-up, Ria Money, which has 490,000 retail outlets across the world, became the first money transfer company to connect with digital wallet users in India. Customers of Ria Money can now transfer money through its app and website. Joan Bianchi, chief executive of Euronet's money transfer segment, said, "As we consider the importance of remittances to families in India, Ria has continually sought out new ways to get money where it matters, leading us to this important partnership with Paytm Payments Bank." Thank you for watching us. Please like and subscribe to keep watching important news on unlisted shares, pre-IPO shares and ESOPs. Find buyers and sellers for unlisted shares for free on altinvent.com. Trade secure and safely.